Math 6, Special Rates, Speed and Density. At the end of the lesson you should be able to
define the concept of speed, calculate speed, distance and time. Define the concept of density, calculate density, mass and volume. Good day, let us have a quick review of what we know about ratios and rates. As we know, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities, and rate is a ratio of two different units of measurement. Today, we are going to study about two special kinds of rates, speed and density. What is speed? When traveling, we can compare the distance we travel to the time it takes to cover that distance. The ratio comparing these two units or rate is called speed. Speed is given by the rate distance over time. Distance is usually measured in kilometers, meters, centimeters, miles or feet. Time is measured in hours, minutes or seconds. Therefore, speed can be measured in kilometers per hour, meters per second, centimeter per second or feet per minute. Let us take an example. The child shown earlier is going to go home after going to the market. If the distance from the market to their house is around 500 meters, it takes the child around 10 minutes to reach their house. How fast was the child walking? To solve this, we use the rate formula: speed equals distance divided by time. 500 meters divided by 10 minutes means the child was walking at around 50 meters per minute. Speed is a measure of how fast an object is moving. An object with high speed can cover a distance in less time than an object with low speed. Using the ratio, we can also use the relationship to compute the distance traveled if we are given the speed of the object and the time it takes to travel. The formula is given as distance equals speed times time. We can also get the time it takes to move a certain length if we know the distance to be covered and speed of the object. The formula is given as time equals distance divided by speed. A cyclist traveling at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour has been on the road for 2.5 hours. What is the distance that he has covered so far? The solution is given by distance equals speed times time.
The answer is 100 kilometers.
Bernie is trying to catch the last train at the train station, which is still 2 kilometers away. The train leaves in 15 minutes, but she can only run at 6 kilometers per hour. Will she be able to catch the train? Let us see. Unfortunately, Bernie will be left by the train. What is density? Let us take a look at two similar containers. Container A is being filled with air, while container W is being filled with water. Container A is quickly filled with air, while container W takes a while to fill up. This is because air quickly expands to fill its container. But also notice that container A has less particles than container W for the same space. Density is the ratio of the amount of mass of a body in relation to the space it occupies, or what we call volume. Density is given by the formula density equals mass over volume. Mass is measured in kilograms, grams or pounds. Volume is expressed in cubic meters, cubic centimeters, liters, or milliliters. Also, remember that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Density is expressed in kilogram per cubic meter, gram per cubic centimeter, kilogram per liter or gram per milliliter. You have a rock with a volume of 15 cubic centimeter and a mass of 45 grams. What is its density? The density of the rock is 3 grams per cubic centimeter. Using the ratio, we can determine the mass of an object if we know its density and its volume. The formula is as follows. The mass of an object is its density multiplied by its volume. Also, we can determine the space occupied by an object of a certain mass if we know its density. We can compute by knowing that volume is equals to mass divided by density. Let us solve some problems. You decide you want to carry a boulder home from the beach. It is 30 centimeters on each side and so has a volume of 27,000 cubic centimeters. It is made of granite, which has a typical density of 2.8 grams per cubic centimeter. How much will this boulder weigh? Let us see. The boulder will weigh 75.6 kilograms. How big a container must Adette bring if she wants to carry 1 kilogram of water, knowing that the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter? Let's find out. Adette will need to bring a 1-liter container to carry the water.
Let's practice.
Lance is racing towards the finish line on his bicycle. He reads that he has 8.1 kilometers to go. If it takes him 15 minutes to cross the finish line, how fast, in meter per second, was he traveling? Answer:
9 meters per second.
Let's practice. A lead sphere, weighing 11 kilograms, has a total volume of 1 liter. What is its density? Answer: 11 kilograms per liter. Remember that speed is the rate of the distance traveled in relation to the time elapsed. Density is the ratio of the mass of an object in relation to the space it occupies.